Smell something burning? Or feel the unit getting hot? If your Ninja Swirl is overheating or giving off that burnt electronic smell, stop and watch this first. Here's what to check before using it again. Step 1. Unplug the machine immediately. If there's any smell of burning plastic or electrical components, disconnect power first. Don't keep trying to run it. That can make the problem worse. Step 2. Let it cool down for 15 to 20 minutes. Sometimes, the motor overheats if you're running multiple cycles back to back, especially with dense or frozen solid mixtures. Give it time to cool fully before troubleshooting. Step 3. Check the swirl press for jams or stuck ingredients. A blocked swirl press can force the motor to strain. Remove the parts and look for frozen chunks or sticky residue that might be resisting movement. Step 4. Inspect the vents and base for airflow blockages. Make sure nothing is covering the air vents, especially underneath the machine. Dust buildup or poor airflow can lead to overheating. Step 5. Examine the power cord and plug. If the smell came from the outlet area, look for signs of damage, melted plastic, scorch marks, or exposed wiring. If anything looks unsafe, stop using the machine and head to the support link in the description. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for smart, safety-first appliance fixes. And if you're dealing with sticky buildup that may have contributed to the jam, we've linked a food-safe cleaning brush set below. Super handy for routine maintenance. Stay safe and swirl with care.